The skyline flickers, then shifts. Glass and steel bloom from desert heat. Rainforests part to reveal neon arterials. Tides kiss seawalls that hum with stored sunlight. Cities of the future aren't sketches on napkins anymore. They're breaking ground right now. I picture streets where engines whisper and air tastes like rain after a storm. Autonomous shuttles glide through lanes drawn by light. Sidewalks breathe, cooler in the day, warmer at night, because the ground itself is smart. Towers farm upward, layer by layer, feeding millions from rooftops that used to be empty sky. Under the surface, a nervous system pulses. AI tunes traffic like a conductor, rerouting flows before bottlenecks even form. Water loops in elegant cycles, gray to green, waste to resource, while batteries the size of buildings soak up daylight and return it after dark. It's tech, sure, but it's also empathy, built into concrete. In coastal hubs, seawalls curve like sculptures. They deflect storms, invite marine life, and double as parks at sunset. In hot zones, shade canopies fold like origami, tracking the sun so streets stay alive at noon. Micro-mobility bridges lift cyclists and walkers above the rush. Quiet, safe, fast. But the story isn't just shiny skylines. It's for whom? Equitable transit that reaches every neighborhood. Housing that adapts as families grow. Public rooms, plazas, makerspaces, learning hubs, where curiosity can bump into opportunity and say, let's build. This is a race against heat, against rising seas, against time. And it's also a race toward possibility. The blueprint blends resilience, sustainability, imagination into something human, not a theme park. A living prototype for how to coexist when resources are finite and innovation is essential. The foundations are going in as I speak. Cranes swing. Sensors blink. Seeds take root between slabs. If a city is a mirror, then tomorrow's mirror is clearing into focus. And it asks a simple question. What kind of future is being built? And who gets to belong? I choose a city that breathes, learns, and includes. Brick by data point, tree by rooftop, ride by ride. The future isn't far away. It's arriving block by block, right now.